this little video because sometimes things just don't go as planned. Hi, Happy Hoarder here, and I picked up this adorable little tin sign at my favorite thrift store, Rolling Hills. And my first idea was to just spray paint it, but then I noticed that Batter Up actually has some texture to it, so I needed to sand it off. But as I sanded it off, I really liked the finish. That crackle finish looked kind of cool, and I really liked the blue color anyway. And being that it was a metal sign, I thought, how cute will this be just to hold some magnets, and that way I can change it out. So I made some magnets out of some thrifted finds, like old earrings, a silk flower, and some ribbon that I used to make a bow. But it still needed something. And then I remembered I had all these cardboard letters. So I grabbed those looking for the word fall. Wait, what happened here? I was so frustrated. I could not find another L, and that looks a lot like an I from a distance. Then I remembered I'd recently thrifted some burlap banners, and one of the words across the banners was falling. But when I pulled off the letters, the little stitches left holes in the paper, so I needed a fix for that. But I had some leaf-shaped hole punches, and so I tested it out to see if I liked it, and I did, but I didn't have any cool paper to use, so I had to make my own. So out to the barn to look for some double stick tape and some magnetic tape. So my magnetic tape was getting a little bit old, and I had to use the double stick tape to stick the magnetic tape on the back of my letters. Now with my little hole punch leaf stuck over all the holes, I think it came out pretty darn cute. And my bow is such a fun idea, but I didn't like where it was. So I stuck it on the other side to hide a little patch where I had used some antiquing gel, and I just didn't like how it turned out. The baling wire that I used to hang it is really great because that way I can bend it in order to get it balanced. I also have chain, and I may switch it out to later. So my little tin sign that I had originally talked about spray painting and maybe painting something on it, I really liked how it turned out for me. Now it's more versatile. And then I can always find cutouts and other words that I can stick on there. And I do have a few, but none were fall related. So I'm really excited about the prospects of my little sign. And it did become a lot more than I thought it would. And it definitely is no longer a fail. Thanks for watching. And please hit like and subscribe if you haven't. And leave a comment. And don't forget to hit that notification button because sometimes I make really good videos. And please check out my next video, room by room, so you can see more information about my country decor. Bye!